Hey guys, and welcome to the Working Money Channel. Take a look who is at Blockchain Ireland Week, guys. Citibank, a confirmed Ripple partner, along with some other heavy hitters, including Binance. VeChain is there, guys. CipherTrace, a company that is associated to MasterCard, if you guys can see the logo down there. We got KPMG, Fidelity Centers, Coinmetrics, Clever Cards, Philip Lee, and Ripple, rounding off a few here. So interesting to see VeChain and Ripple specifically part of this. Two companies that are associated specifically with cryptocurrencies, and two of the cryptocurrencies that I'm really interested in. And this is happening right now. This was just posted by Blockchain Ireland here on Twitter, and I don't know when this event actually is. I guess we're in the middle of it right now. Just some updates here from 22 minutes ago as of the time of this recording. Tiana Baker-Taylor, Andrew Whitworth, Mark O'Brien, and Dare Lawler of the Future of Stablecoins and CBDCs panel. So, I mean, it does make sense that Ripple is there if they are, talking about central bank digital currencies. We know CBDC technology is going to be issued, in some cases on the Ripple network, and they've already worked with countries in order to facilitate CBDCs. So this is who is attending the Blockchain Ireland Week, guys, right now. Also happen to see this from XRP Crypto Wolf with regards to Ripple partner Flare and Songbird. So for those of you guys that delegate currently and are using the Bifrost exchange, I think this has to do exclusively with Bifrost. Maybe I'm wrong about that. I personally use the Bifrost exchange, so that's the experience that I've been having with this. Flare and SPG delegations are now optimized, so you can now enable auto-claiming on Flare and Songbird for maximum compounding. This functionality automatically claims FTSO delegation rewards and Flare drops as soon as they are available, eliminating the need for manual input. So I don't know if you guys are like me and, are trying to remember when you were getting those delegations. For Songbird, I remember it was fairly easy. It was every Saturday, but for Flare, it's happening every 3 days. So, sometimes I'm missing it and I'm trying to, manually go in there and delegate. Well, now there is an option here. Enable auto claiming by clicking confirm. You allow an executor to claim rewards to your wallet. So there is a cost to that. This is just an example here. Setup fee is 2.5 SGB, and the claim fee is 2.5 per claim. But it'll do it automatically for you, basically. So you can go into the Bifrost wallet, and the same is true for Flare as well. And this will automatically make the experience more seamless and secure. No action is needed to claim FLR rewards once the auto-claiming feature is activated. So if you're one of those people that just, tends to forget to do those, little weekly tasks, maybe this option is for you. And so I thought I'd bring it to you guys just to let you know that you can now set auto-claiming to both SGB and FLR on, I think it is Bifrost Wallet. The procedure is carried out through mechanisms called executors. As of now, 2 executors. Okay, so it's Bifrost and Flare Oracle are open delegators for this. So that's the update, guys, if you're interested in setting that up. Going to keep moving along here. Mike Manfield's bringing us some Ripple partner news. This has to do with Ripple partner Ebary. They're extending into Brazil. So they're a leading global fintech specializing in international payments, FX solutions, and business lending. They've announced their plans to strengthen their proposition in Brazil. And not only that, guys, they're extending to Latin America. So expansion in Latin America is a key area for Ebary's global growth strategy and builds on its acquisition of Bexus Bank, which it did announce last year. Bexus is a Brazilian bank with over 30 years of experience in international payments and FX risk management, and also offers foreign trade solutions for SMEs and scalable technology solutions to major digital players such as Nubank, eBanks, Nuvei, and PPRO. So they're looking to strengthen their team in Brazil, offering multi-currency accounts, which will be a game changer for Brazilian importers and exporters. So, a lot of industries in Brazil, not just Brazil, around the world, are looking for these types of multi-currency options, and Ebary, a Ripple partner, looking to provide them that. Ebary will also bring product upgrades to Brazilian operators. It has been investing heavily in scalable API solutions for businesses, such as its white label proposition, which seamlessly integrates with third-party systems. Other launches include the expansion of their currency account offering, increased global coverage. Ebary recently launched its 11th local currency account in Singapore, which positions them as a leading market player, offering the most comprehensive suite of local collection accounts in the industry. So guys, Ebary looking to take on more market share, this time in Brazil specifically, a large economy in South America, and they also want to move into Latin America as well. Ebary's global chief commercial officer, he said this: "We are delighted to be showcasing Ebary's expansion plan and new digital solutions at Money 2020. Brazil is an important growth area for Ebary. It is a country of continental dimensions with over 170 million people connected to the internet, offering tremendous potential for growth in international trade." So Brazil, one of those notable influential trading partners globally. And so, Ebary wants to get a slice of that large, chunky pie. And it looks like they are going to be tackling that, leveraging Ripple technology to do so. So wanted to thank Mike for posting that. Bill Morgan here also pointing this out with regards to Ito Farina's tweet. The Federal Reserve mentions Ripple solution for cross-border payments. Now, this article is not new. This article is fairly old. However, Bill has noticed some interesting connections here, okay? They talk about NAB, the National Bank of Australia. And if you guys don't remember, back in March of 2022, the Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce, or CIBC, and the National Bank of Australia, NAB, are joining RippleNet to tap its increasing popular blockchain solution for cross-border payments and settlements, according to an announcement from the Ripple team. So this happened over a year ago. We have the CIBC Canadian Bank connection and the NAB Australian Bank connection. Bill Morgan is from Australia, and this is what he posted, okay? I'm guessing his wife works in the banking sector. He says, "It is strange, but I went as a guest with my wife to a business presentation at the NAB by senior bank people last Thursday, and there was a reference by one bank presenter to the bank working on a faster payment system. I texted my wife immediately, make of it what you will." And guys, here is the text he sent to his wife. He referred to moving to a fast payment system. NAB is a Ripple partner. Things that make you go, So I thought that was interesting. He also reported down here, news reports in March this year indicated that the bank had executed a cross-border stablecoin transfer using the Ethereum blockchain, but other reports have indicated NAB is a Ripple partner. So we know NAB is a Ripple partner. I don't see the specific connection to NAB there, but it looks as though, according to Bill, there is one there, and NAB too. As per Stephen Childs here, Westpac and ANZ joined Ripple Labs bandwagon with CBA. So, I mean, it's no surprise, it's no secret that, Ripple already has a lot of connections in Australia. I would not be surprised if this presenter here that was talking about fast payments, a fast payment system, was in fact describing RippleNet and XRP. So a little bit of speculation here. Nevertheless, the connections make it a sound assessment. Wanted to thank Bill for posting that. And Cowboy Crypto here with some more connections. Here's a few of Ripple's most recent investments and their areas of expertise. These are all post-lawsuit deals. So again, a lot of these companies did not care about the lawsuit, and I'm sure a lot of them are probably not located in the United States either. Nevertheless, we got it here from January of 2021. So basically, immediately after the lawsuit was announced, which was in December of 2020, we got Protego Trust Bank, Tranglo, Securitize, Mintable. So we know Tranglo has already kind of made some major moves here, but these are some of the lesser known ones that I've talked about over the last 2 years. Securitize, Mintable, which is an NFT marketplace. We've got Philippine Digital Asset Exchange. We've got Hex Trust, Axology, Web3 Pro, Philippine Digital Asset Exchange, so another round of funding there. Chimney, Hex Trust. What else do we got here? So I guess just in some of these cases, multiple rounds here. Super Mojo, Carbon Title, Fallow, Keyrock, Bitstamp, which is the most recent one that we just heard about this month. So it's looking as though, despite the lawsuit, Ripple is still doing great around the world. And just bringing up Andrews' tweet here as well, owning almost half of total XRP supply, owning custody of Metaco, which was another recent partnership, owning part of Bitstamp, which is an exchange, owning a large share of Tranglo, proprietary network, investing in all parts of a cross-border transaction network. And guys, this is why Ripple is going to do so well in the future. They have the game plan set out. These are not random decisions. They obviously have a strategy and they are implementing it in real time. So wanted to thank Cowboy Crypto there for pointing that out. Also happened to see this from Matthew Liny on Twitter. Accenture blockchain services are considered the best in class. So guys, this is another document from May of 2023. And we know Accenture was one of those first companies that was partnered with Ripple since 2015. As mentioned here by Matt, many competitors have partnered with Ripple or used XRP technology to keep up. But here, guys, this is where it gets really interesting. Everest Group Enterprise Blockchain Services Peak Matrix Assessment 2023. So he's bringing up, no, not that one. It was here. Payments platform Ripple inks a deal with Accenture. So that again was from back in October of 2015. Well, guys, look at this most recent report here, okay? May 2023, Accenture is positioned as the leader. So some of the leaders for enterprise blockchain services, followed by some of the major contenders. Take a look at this leaders list, okay? Accenture, Infosys, Capgemini, just to name three. Three of the, how many are there? 7 here? These have confirmed Ripple connections. So I found that interesting. IBM also has a stellar connection too. So interesting to point out there, compared to the major contenders, KPMG, GFT, Chainyard, Atos, emphasis, and the aspirants who don't necessarily have a lot of partnerships, at least not yet. But I thought that was interesting. Accenture, which is a confirmed Ripple partner, has been doing really well too. So I also have the PDF of this document, and I will link it in the description for you guys. And another document from Matthew Lany, again from May of 2023, the European Systematic Risk Board. XRP is used as an example of crypto market price manipulation. Not sure what they're trying to convey here. It's in a negative context. So does the ESRB consider XRP decentralized? Things that make you go, for sure. European Systemic Risk Board, European System of Financial Supervision. You guys can see down here. So those are just the headings. And again, I also have it linked as a PDF, so you can check the description of the video for that. But check this out. Second, it is important to interpret information on prices and market capitalization with caution. The primary difficulty is the increasing evidence of price manipulation. This can lead to short-term volatility, aspiring from pump and dump schemes, and longer-term price inflation from interested party market participants and self-dealing. Furthermore, there can be a large difference between quoted market capitalization and what is commonly known as fully diluted market capitalization. The former is the market price times and number of tokens that are known to have been publicly issued. The latter is all the tokens that were created, including those still held by the initial issuer. XRP, the native token of Ripple, is an example of this on March the 10th, 2023. So bringing up a fairly recent example here, XRP's reported market capitalization was about 18.6 billion USD on circulating supply of about 51 billion tokens. Ripple has sold only about half of the XRP tokens to users of its clearing service, so the fully diluted market capitalization is twice the market capitalization. While it is possible to know what would happen if XRP holders were to sell substantial quantities, a significant negative price impact is likely. So blaming it on XRP hodlers, I think the stats probably do speak for itself, and it's not addressed here, but I'm just thinking, how many of us have been holding XRP for so long that if there is a flurry of activity, what would happen to the price? And I think that's what they're trying to get at here, along with some other things. So market manipulation, supply and demand, guys. This is where price is going to go based on who wants what when. This is why after a year of a bear market in 2022, we are now seeing the market slowly rally a little bit. Again, this is Bitcoin, just bringing up the XRP chart though, and we are slowly starting to see XRP demand rise. And guys, even just over the last week, we have seen XRP demand rise, and we're going to continue to see it rise. Right now, as of the time of this recording, it is hit over 50 cents. So we're back above 50 cents USD per XRP. We're at 0.501. And XRP, guys, is not going to be the only coin that rallies. I'm going to be posting my trades on my Patreon site for only $5 a month. If this is something you guys are interested in, you can follow me. I'm going to be trading, going to be posting the trades on the day that they occur. Basically, what we're going to do is we're going to be looking for coins that have the highest potential to pump very hard. So we're taking a bit of a different approach here. Real world utility is going to play a role in it, but it is not everything. We're going to look at different coins, and I've already posted about 10 to 15 picks right now on my Patreon. And guys, now is the best time to be getting into the market if this is something you are interested in. Again, not financial advice. I'm just going to be documenting my trades. You guys can follow along if you want. You don't have to do that. If you're just interested in seeing what I'm going to be doing. But anyway, XRP, Algorand, VeChain, these are just some of the coins with real world utility, but I'm going to be trading several other ones as well. So again, $5 a month. The price right now for XRP, and other cryptocurrencies, is just kind of highlighting the fact that we are getting into another bull cycle, guys, and FOMO is what's really going to push a lot of these cryptocurrencies up higher. And eventually, yes, eventually, maybe not right this second, but eventually we will get that real world utility that is really going to flood the market, and that is where the real money is at. But it might not be for a while. I wanted to bring you guys this tweet here from Mr. Hubert. Another chat OpenAI experiment. He basically asked this program, create a table in which you compile the most likely composition of the 10 largest cryptocurrencies by market capitalization in the year 2050. So this is over 20 years away. However, this is what it suggested, okay? Columns, name, prices, circulating supply, market capitalization, and reasons for market capitalization. So no mention of XRP in the question. Yet, this is what came out. Okay, sure, here's the information I found so far. Please note that predicting future prices for cryptocurrencies is highly speculative, so giving the disclaimer there so that chat AI doesn't get sued. And actual prices in 2050 may vary significantly. Okay, chat AI, we're not going to hold you to it. Also, I couldn't find information on the expected circulating supply and market capitalization for 2050, But here's what it said, okay? First of all, Dogecoin expected price in 2050, anywhere between $38.70 and $41.25 per coin. Dogecoin's advantage over Bitcoin is that it's cheaper and faster to process transactions. Number 2, it lists Bitcoin at $6.6 million per BTC. Bitcoin is backed by one of the most decentralized and useful blockchain technologies. Its adoption rate is expected to shoot through the roof in the next few years. And third, guys, we've got XRP coming in at $125.14 per coin. XRP has proliferated in recent times and has the potential to be one of the big booming tokens. There are some other coins down here, USD Coin, Ethereum, Shiba Inu, and Polkadot, with no expected price. They're not available here. And some of the reasons, though, with regards to market capitalization here, let me read you USD Coin. The risk-reward ratio of USD coins makes it one of the most attractive cryptocurrencies. Investors can take less risk and still manage to get above-average returns. Ethereum was the first major project to introduce smart contracts. These smart contracts allow developers to launch mobile and desktop decentralized applications on top of the blockchain. And Shiba Inu here, despite its whimsical beginning, SHIB emerged as one of the top cryptocurrencies in the market with big selling points. So quite vague on that. I'm interested to know why they can't predict a price for these coins. However, for Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and XRP, Chat AI is in fact predicting these prices accordingly based on reasons for market capitalization. And I wanted to remind you guys, in this question nowhere did Mr. Hubert even mention the term XRP, yet the AI bot, based on what it knows, is assuming XRP is going to be in the top 3. So what does that say about the cryptocurrency now? I mean, 50 cents, a steal of a deal. As John Deaton says, the FOMO probably won't really kick in until we hit $2 a coin. So what are my price targets for XRP? Well, I'm going to be keeping a bit for the long term, but I'm also going to be trading a bit in this next bull cycle. If you guys are interested, join the Patreon for only $5 a month. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you like the content I'm providing. I always love hearing your comments. See you in the next one, guys.